Well, welcome back, learner buddies. I am back with the most important topic that we have to discuss about it in front of you. It is a plastic pollution. Now, how it is different from the other pollutions? I know that you already know that there are majorly four kind of pollution: air pollution, land pollution, other noise pollution, water pollution. I know this is also the part of the land pollution and the soil pollutions you can say about it, but this is a majorly related to the plastic only. We are going to discuss about the pollution that is created by the only plastic, which is the most severe topic that you have to understand about it, because it creates lots of problems. This is very harmful for our health, for the earth, for the ecosystem, for our living being. This is very important to understand about it. Basically, this topic is dedicated to only pollution that is related to plastic. So this topic is a plastic pollution. Now we are going to discuss about it, that what is the introduction. Before going to the introduction part, you have to understand about it. Over 400 million tons of plastic are produced annually, and where it goes nobody knows. This is end up in the majorly oceans, landfills and ecosystem and produce pollution, and this is in nothing else but it is a plastic pollution. According to the definition, the accumulation of the plastic waste in an environment, the waste ends up the landfills and the oceans and other ecosystems are known as plastic pollution, because it end up with a very bad end. So it could cause actually pollution. And if I talk about the major sources, that is industrial waste and single use plastic, microplastic and other things that we use as a plastic in our daily life, that cause the plastic pollution. Why this is so severe? Because plastic is non biodegradable in nature. That makes the plastic persistent, that makes the plastic more harmful, because this is not going to be biodegradable after so many years. So if it is not going to degradable, that is the very important thing to understand about it. Because of this nature, plastic is very harmful. Let's talk about the major sources of the plastic pollution. It consists of single use plastic like bags, bottles, straws. And if you talk about the industrial and the packaging waste, this is moreover like factories and retailers that cause pollution related to the plastic and that generate plastic pollution. Other things like fishing nets and marine debris, like ghost nets harming sea life because it consists of small plastic, microplastic as well. If I talk about the microplastic, it is in a cosmetic, in a synthetic clothes, and the tire dust, and other things that is related to your daily life packaging that is made up of the plastic. All these pollution, all these plastic is causing only one thing, that is pollution, known as plastic pollution. Now we are going to discuss about the impact. First of all, we have to understand about the things, that what are the impact on the wildlife. Marine life actually affected so much, because in marine animals they mistaken with the plastic for the food and leading to the starvation, and sometime when they eat the plastic they got dead by this thing. Because we already mentioned that thing, plastic is going to be end up at the end of the moment or the oceans or the landfills. So marine life is severely disrupted by this particular past plastic pollution, which is a major danger for the wildlife and for the marine life. And birds and the fish also entangled in the plastic waste and just lost their life. This is also a very severe problem to discuss about it. Other things like toxic chemicals by plastic burning and disrupt our ecosystem, which is also very important to understand about it. Because at the end of the moment, if the ecosystem is going to be disrupted, then we are going to affected by this thing. You already know that thing, because I already made the topic on the ecosystem. If you haven't watched that particular topic, then you have to watch that after this topic as well. Let's talk about the impact on the human health. We already discussed about the ecosystem, the problems that have an impact on the other creatures, animals, brain, basically marine animals and other creatures. Now we are going to discuss about the impact on the human health. First of all, you have to understand about microplastic that is present in the ocean. They enter in the food chain through the seafood, and then we just at the end of the moment we end up with eating of all this microplastic. Second thing, water and air contamination from the plastic waste. Actually, it when plastic burns, it actually contaminated, it actually harm the water and the air as well. And also the exposure to the plastic chemical can cause the hormone disruption, cancer risk, and skin diseases and other diseases related to the human health. So this is also very important for you to understand, that is plastic pollution also affect the human health alongside with the other marine life and birds life and other creatures. Also it has lots of impact on the human health as well. Next thing that you have to understand about it, what are the environmental consequences by the plastic pollution? There are lots of environment consequences. Like first is land pollution. I already mentioned that thing, that the plastic is going to be end up on the landfills, on the oceans and other areas. So land pollution is very common by the plastic pollution. Plastic takes hundred of years to decompose. Actually it's not a deep biodegradable product, so it took so long time to biodegrade. So land pollution is very common thing by the plastic pollution. And if we talk about the water pollution, it also plastic waste clogs the rivers and the oceans, and it actually contaminate the water quality and other water marine animals and other things that is related to the water. And at the end, if I talk about the climate impact, that also plastic production and the breakdown release the greenhouse gases. That is also a major problem by burning the plastic and by any other things that you use the plastic. It actually produce and break down to the greenhouse gases like carbon monoxides and other things, which create again global warming at the end of the moment, and climate change would be there at the instant, you know that thing. Lots of things actually affect the environmental as well. If I talk about the shocking statistics, you would be very shocked about it. 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean every year. It is a very problematic thing that everyone have to understand about it. 1 million marine animals die due to the plastic pollution annually, and this is a very shame on us that we are eating marine animals as non-vegetarian. If you are, I am not. If you eat marine animals, you also get killed that marine animals by eating that, and also let them die due to the plastic pollution. Over 1 million of marine animals die due to the plastic pollution every year. And you would be very shocked about the fact that as it is by 2050, plastic of the ocean actually outweighed the fishes. How it could be even possible? That much of plastic pollution in the ocean we are created every year. This is a very shocking part in the statical as well. We are creating so much plastic pollution. Even our global warming is there, environmental impacts are there, land pollution, water pollution, marine life endangering, other things that we are doing by the plastic pollution, and we are not aware of that thing. This topic, plastic pollution, don't seem important to you, important to anyone, but the effects are so severe that we can't even ignore that impact. So you have to understand about it. And second thing, after knowing all these things, you also have to let other people know that thing. You have to spread the awareness of the plastic pollution, which is very important, because without awareness nobody is going to understand that by the plastic pollution what are the major problems that we are creating by our own. So this is very important for you also to understand. Also, our government policies and responses are there, like they ban the single use plastic. Most of the cases they ban this thing. International agreements are there, like UN environment program and Paris agreement discussions. Lots of international agreements were there. Recycling and waste management also improved day by day. And at that end of the moment, we are going to discuss about the things that biodegradable plastic and alternating. These are things actually are a very innovative solution that we are going to discuss about it now. Biodegradable plastic and alternative by the plastic use only. And like using of the plastic, you have to use the bamboo, paper, glass and other things that can be replaced the plastic. And if I talk about the ocean cleanup projects, that there are lots of ocean cleanup plastic bank projects that are ongoing. If you really want to be get involved in that kind of ocean cleaning project, then it would be more than enough for you to do that thing, because it is a very good thing. And if I talk about the plastic recycling and upcycling program, there are lots of things that you can do that, and you can observe that by the end of the day, because plastic recycling and upcyclings are one of the important and major innovative solution that actually reduce the plastic pollution. What can individual do? What can you do as an individual person? That what can you do? That first thing that is a very common, reduce the single use of the plastic consumption, like use the reusable bags and bottles and containers and other things. Support the brand and the policies, whether it is a government or NGO policies that promote sustainability, that decrease the use of the plastic use. All these things are very important. Actually, every small efforts makes a difference. Spread awareness, I already gave you that idea. Without spreading that awareness, there is nothing, like everyone who going to know that thing by their own. And take action, join local cleanup initiative and advocate for policies, and just help them to do that thing. Whatever you can do for that initiatives and other things, that policies and other things that is related to decrease any kind of pollution, take that part into these things. We all have a role to play in a reducing plastic. By single use plastic have to be banned, we have to use the reusable contents and other things that is related to which is decrease the pollution center. So we have to do all these things, and this is not a responsibility for a single person, this is a responsibility of everyone. So we have to support other things. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope you get a new wave of hope and knowledge from this particular topic. I hope you get great knowledge about it, and this would be very helpful for you to spread the awareness as well. So let's wrap up this particular topic here only. We will meet soon with a new topic, with beautiful slides, with new discussion, daily life examples, and a lot more. And definitely at that moment, you're going knowledge day by day. That's all for today's meeting. I hope you enjoyed the session. We will meet soon by the end of the other things. And that's all for today. Happy learning. Bye. And very have a nice day.